Hi guys, today we are going to go to planetarium. Yay! I will be showing you like not a glitch, but like a hole on a mountain. We will be going with Smiling Dog VR.
Hello everyone. So I'm another small content creator. We're starting to do videos together, and yeah, he's Smiling Puppy, I'm Smiling Doug.
Okay, so
Let's get right into it. So
you will be needing 4 rockets, 4 rockets. And then you can also get a crowbar or something. But I'm just gonna take. I got a bag right here. You just okay. So you get 4. You put 2 in your bag, any bag, and then like that. And then you put You hold on. Just put this here. Then put this, then close it. Put it on the back. Grab 2 right here, and 2. So you grab 2. 2 rockets. Then you just then you can empty out your bag. Then you're at planetarium. So that's how you get to planetarium. Here, smaller food if you eat it, go smaller, like this. Here, these are mega broccolis. You eat them, become bigger. And this is a research point planet. I didn't bring a pickaxe, but you normally just mine this. And then you can eat that. To get out, here there's this. You need 2 broccolis. You eat 2 small broccolis. Okay, you can do it right now. 1, and then 2. That was it. That's how you go to planetarium. So yeah, that's how you go to planetarium. You can get the